Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I just received some fun things from my friends over at Beading Craft. And two of those things are these charms that have these stars and moons. And I'm actually going to do a video showing you some earrings that I'm going to be making with some stash that I already have. And these earrings are going to go to some very special ladies. If you're interested in some moons and stars, I'll leave a coupon code down in the description box below, and I'll leave links to where you can get your stars and moons from Beading Craft.
So these are the other elements that I am going to add into these pieces. And the ladies I'm going to make this for is actually part of a dance group that I'm involved in. There's 5 of us total, and we like bling.
One of the t-shirts that we wear when we dance is this one right here. Our group name is called Southern Sass. I'll show you the other side. And it's fun. It's just a baseball shirt. Black and gray and then some red. So the earrings that I want to make are going to go to that. And I have a few ideas here. I was digging around in my stash, and I have these. Won't these make pretty earrings? And we always like to wear a lot of bling. And this definitely has the bling, and to me it looks very New Orleans style. And then I'm going to use these. I think these are just glass beads. Let's see what does it say here. Red glass, yeah, red glass beads. I thought they were just glass. They kind of look like garnet, but I thought those would look really nice together. And then I'm going to put some moons and stars. I mean, there's a couple of Louisiana songs that mention moons and stars, so I thought that would be kind of fun. Plus the fact, you know the song, hey, you get down the fiddle, you get down the bow, kick off your shoes and throw them on the floor, dance in the kitchen till the morning night, Louisiana Saturday night. So that's kind of in reference to the night too. Anyway, let me get some of this stuff gathered up, and let's make some earrings. So I'm going to be using 20 gauge silver wire, and I have the moon and the stars. And you know, you don't have to have exactly what I have here. You can use a different length and different charms. I am going to be using some ear wires here, and these I believe are 4mm beads. You'll need some wire cutters, some flat nose pliers, and some round nose pliers. In fact, when I took these off, I actually used 2 of these because they were attached with jump rings, and I just opened them up, and I'm not going to be using the jump rings. All right, the first thing you're going to do is get your wire out, and I'm going to put the bead on the wire. I'm going to grab my round nose pliers, and I'm going to start a loop. And depending on how big of wrap you want, will determine how much you're going to leave out here. These are going to be mismatched earrings. So I'm going to go ahead and put the star on this before I wrap it up. And let's grab a hold of that. Wire this up. And I like kind of a messy wrap. You can make them neat if you want. I just kind of like these to land wherever they land. And then I'm going to need to tuck that end in. Okay, let me make sure it's still not really tucked in that well. Okay, I think it is now. Whoa! Sorry about that. All right, where'd my bead go? I'm gonna scooch the bead down. And I think I'm gonna scrunch that up a little bit more together. There we go. And then I'm going to make another loop on this side. Like so. And before I start wrapping, I am going to cut some of that off. And I'm going to put this on there. And then basically I'm going to do the same thing. Wrapping my wire around several times. And I have a little helper with me right now. For your granddaughter. Okay, and once I get that all done, you can either clip that off or you can just tuck it in like I'm going to.
I'll help you with something, okay?
Just wait.
Let's go to the video, okay?
All right, I've got them all done, or this one done, but I like to make sure that when they hang, they're hanging in the right direction. And let's see. It's kind of turning to the side. At this angle, you can't really see it, but it's turning like this. And we need it to turn this way.
Why?
So,
Why?
well, so it will hang right on your ear. I'm just going to take this and kind of just wrap it a little bit, twist it a little bit.
Twist it. Yeah, twist it.
Until it gets how I want it. And you need to kind of be careful because you could break your wire. All right, so that is hanging properly. And now all we have to do is get an ear wire and open it up.
Open.
Put it on there, close it up, and there we go. We have an earring all done. Now we got to do the moon. All right, now to do the other one. Where's my moon? Still sticking out. There we go. Put that down.
Put it down.
And I just kind of pushed it down a little bit just to
Push it.
make sure those wires are together and not separated. Take that off. Go this way. You can even use your round nose pliers if you wanted to stick it in there like that. We have the moon
I like moons.
and the stars.
They can shine.
That can shine, yes. And I've actually got several.
Moons and
There's another
stars.
one. I'm gonna see, I gotta find out how many more I've got to do here.
Moons and stars can shine too.
So we have 1, 2, 3 pair. And I need to make, let me think, 2 more pair? So I need to make 2 more pair because there's 5 of us all together. I'm really excited about giving these earrings to my friends. They're going to look really nice with not only the shirt that I showed you, but we wear a lot of red and black and white. So these will be versatile with a lot of our outfits. And I'm trying to remember some of the songs about Louisiana that have suns and moons in them. There's one about the Cajun stars and moon. And I can't remember what the other one was. I'll try to remember to leave links down in the description box below to the songs that I'm thinking of. And when I get done making the other couple of pair that I've got to make, I will leave pictures at the end of this video so you can get a closer look to them. And I'd like to thank y'all for joining me. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tappingflamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye. Oh, and by the way, this music you're listening to, I am actually part of a group, mountain dulcimer group called Washita Strummers, and that's us playing. I hope you've enjoyed listening to it.